Welcome to our channel. This is Mary and we're currently staying at home, and like most of you, we're on our third week of quarantine. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on that bell post notification button to be updated with our new videos. Your support really helps us and keep us motivated. The first thing that I do in the morning after getting off from the bed is to prepare coffee for my husband and a cup of tea for myself. We only need a sip from these cups in the morning to set us up in our working mode. We turn on our computers, which is the source of our work. Our sweet little one usually is the last one to get up every day. She enjoys stretching and rolling around the bed before getting up. Because our baby never got used to sleeping on her own, she doesn't have her own bed. And we're glad that she didn't, because we enjoy cuddling her anytime we want. One morning routine we do together is to brush our teeth and wash our faces before starting our morning work. Even though Mia is still sleeping, I can't stand seeing our bed a mess. So I try to just fix it a little bit for now and make it right later. This will be the start of our day, and we're going to show you how we spend the day during this quarantine time. Since we won't be able to go out and travel and see places, we do our normal work inside the house, and we're going to show it all to you. This is my working space, where you can see a pile of papers that I still have no time to go through. And honestly, for my husband and I, this quarantine time didn't make our lives less busier, especially when you have a toddler like her.
Yeah. Good morning, Mia. Hola.
Now that she's up, I have to take a break and give my full attention to my baby. Take her pajamas off, put her shoes, fix her hair, and make her ready for the day. Like most moms, I spend most of my time with my little one. And now it's time to make her breakfast.
I did it.
I usually give her cereals with milk during breakfast. But since we have some apples, I decided to add some to it and have a piece of cookie on the side just in case she won't eat the breakfast that I prepared for her. Not most of the time I get to sit with her for breakfast, but when I do, I make sure to enjoy it and finish my cup of tea before starting my daily household chores. Talking about household chores, mine starts with organizing the toys of Mia whenever she feels lazy to do it herself. Then do our laundry by segregating Mia's clothes from ours and whites from the colored ones. I do this because I always wash the white ones separate, and in case I need to add bleach to them later. And as you can see, always trying my best to save energy. You help me with the laundry, love. Then with the help of my very well-behaved baby, I put our laundry into the washer. Now I'm ready to add detergent, fabric softener, and I put bleach most of the time for our white clothes. Time to go back in the room to get more clothes to wash and have it ready for washing after the white ones are done.
Good, mommy. Push.
Okay.
Okay.
As they say, alone we can do so little, but with teamwork we can do so much. Let's go outside. Give it to Papi. Papi will eat it. Go.
Hey, Bobby. There's my boys.
Thank you.
While our first laundry gets done, me and I do our favorite daily routine of the day, which is to take a walk outside. We're going to get some dandelions and walk outside. Even before the issue of the virus, whenever we're not traveling, we always try to get some fresh air by just walking around our neighborhood. Our streets didn't really change by this quarantine. It's always been this empty because most of our neighbors were busy with work, and now that we are in quarantine, they just keep themselves inside or sometimes come out when nobody is walking, just like what we are doing now. I'm happy that we are all doing our part to keep distance and stay safe from this virus.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. The gate is closed.
Put your hands up. Yeah, now reach it.
Too high.
You can't reach it?
No.
Laundry day. I usually do our laundry once a week. Another batch of laundry. Now it's time to prepare some light food. It's not healthy, but that's all we need to not starve from hunger until lunch and enjoy the fresh air while eating outside with everybody.
Toing, 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 toing. Someone is enjoying the ride in my foot.
It's Mia's nap time. She usually naps 1 to 2 times a day depending on her activities. Sweet Mia is taking a nap. I'm going to continue my work and finish up my online work, then proceed to eating lunch. Oh, you wake up my money. You read your book. Here.
Your hug makes me feel so happy. I feel eat pump. I feel eat strawberries. I feel eat orange. Water. I feel giant. And dinner relief. Hole.
As you can see, it literally takes me the whole half day to finish washing. Next thing I know, it's lunchtime. And today we have beef soup cooked by my mother-in-law. Our eating habits are very different. My husband is Hispanic and he eats his soup with tortilla. While me as an Asian, I always have my rice with whatever I eat or whenever I eat.
What? Look at mommy! She just ate the last piece of orange.
It's Papi's time to watch and play with our daughter. So I'm doing the dishes. My baby and her puppy is in the couch in the living room.
What TV, please?
Watch TV?
Yeah.
Let's watch TV then.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
With his help, I get focused washing the dishes, then after a while, I'm done. I'm done! It's time to take the clean clothes back in the room and fold them tomorrow morning because today I have a project to get done with Mia. But before that, I have to take care of a mess. If you have a toddler, always cleaning time. Cleaning is endless. Our baby loves reading books, and we usually borrow books from the library every week, but due to this pandemic, we haven't done so. Okay, Mia. Oh no! This is Mommy's old bra. So we will be showing you how to make a facial mask out of old bra. That will be our project today with Mia. Mia will help Mommy. In the beginning, we have to get the wire underneath the bra. I'll take this button out too. Take the wire out. The wire is now visible. It's hard to take it out at first. So you'll just pull it out and you get your wire. And get the strap off. And the other side too. An old bra is a good for a DIY mask since it has a thicker fabric already. You can use these straps too since this is adjustable, so you can use this one. It has already the curve like for the mask. So it will be like this. Let's just put a strap. We're going to sew by hand our straps. This is a very easy DIY for mask. Even here in the US, they're struggling for N95 or any kind of mask.
Yeah, upside down is good too. You have your own scissor. You got this one. So we already have one strap. We'll just do the other side. We are done with our second one. So this one has a longer strap than this one. This one is for the measurement of Mia's face. That's why it's small. And this one, longer straps. Come here, puppy. Yeah, like that. See, it's good. Now you watch TV. You sit here. Mommy's going to make dinner, okay?
After we got done with our project, time went by so fast. It's already evening, and I thought of making spaghetti for the family since I have the complete ingredients in the kitchen.
Let's check our pasta.
Cooking is not my expertise, but you can never go wrong with spaghetti as long as you have prepared spaghetti sauce and pasta. It's simple and easy recipe to cook, and it's my baby's favorite food. Now that our sauce and pasta are cooked, I mix them together and transfer it into the plates before serving.
This is our dinner.
Oh, thank you, Lo.
Sometimes Mia gets so busy playing around, so I eat first with my husband, then finish up fast to take care of her when she decides to eat. And this is what we do after dinner time.
What is this, Mia?
We have a eucalyptus tree outside, just very close where our porch is. You can use this leaf to clean your respiratory system from the exposure outside. We're going to boil this one and inhale the fume out of it. This has been a routine in our family every night. Put it here.
No, wait till it gets ready.
Oh, put your hands away. It's very hot, sweetheart. Don't touch it. So you have to have a towel. Yeah, ours is a robe. And then you open the hot pot.
Look how hot it is.
It's very hot here, but it's really good. Mia, how about you?
Is it hot, Mia?
Yeah.
This is how you look like after you get out of the steam.
And it's time to clean up and prepare for bedtime.
Where my toothpaste?
You have toothpaste?
Like that.
You have a lot of dirt in your teeth. You know how to gargle?
Yeah.
Okay. Throw the water away. Okay, put it back. Good job. Ready to sleep.
Wait for this.
Okay, I'm going to read you a book.
I want this one.
Oh, that one. Okay. It's about Rescue and Jessica. Will she like me?
I get to read Mia a book before going to sleep. Mia loves bedtime stories, and it's also a good habit for me as a parent to have these special moments with her.
Oh, he had to stay by his partner's side. Like this. This has been our day. I hope you enjoy it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click that post notification bell button so you will be notified for our new adventures or new uploaded video. And please like this video and share it to your friends as well. So this has been Mary from Boss Traveler. See you again next time. Bye!